To watch all our videos, click subscribe, click on the bell icon and click all. Now navigate to the settings of your mobile phone. Go to apps and notifications. Notifications, YouTube, and make sure all the options on the right are turned on. Hello and welcome. In this lesson, we will continue learning about tenses. In the previous videos, we have covered I am form, I will be form, and I was form. Now, let us put all those together and see the three tenses one by one. I am reading. I am reading. I am reading is present tense. It is happening right now. In Kannada, it would be ನಾನು ಓದುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಾನು ಓದುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. All right. So you know how to get this form. I hope you know. All right. I will be reading. I will be reading. Now this is future tense. Future tense. In Kannada it would be ನಾನು ಓದುತ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಇರುತ್ತೇನೆ. All right. I was reading. I was reading. ನಾನು ಓದುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದೆನು. ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದೆನು. Now, these are the suffixes that say if the sentence is in present tense or future tense or in past tense. All right. And these have been covered in the previous videos. Okay. Now, these three are very simple sentences and the tenses can be told in other ways also. All right. And let us see few more examples which will give you an idea of tense. Okay. I am running now. I am running now. In Kannada, it would be ನಾನು ಈಗ ಓಡುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಾನು ಈಗ ಓಡುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್. ಈಗ 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 ಈಸ್ ನೌ ಇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ. Okay. Now, we have seen the format of Kannada sentence, right? Now, you can put this ಈಗ at the start also. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಓಡುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. That is also right. Okay. So, ನಾನು ಈಗ ಓಡುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. Now, this is present tense. I will be running tomorrow. I will be running tomorrow. ನಾನು ನಾಳೆ ಓಡುತ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೇನೆ. ನಾನು ನಾಳೆ ಓಡುತ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೇನೆ. ನಾಳೆ ಈಸ್ ಟುಮಾರೋ. ನಾಳೆ ಈಸ್ ಟುಮಾರೋ. Now this sentence is which tense? Future tense. Right? Future tense. I was running yesterday. I was running yesterday. ನಾನು ನಿನ್ನೆ ಓಡುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದೆನು. ನಾನು ನಿನ್ನೆ ಓಡುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದೆನು. All right. ನಿನ್ನೆ ಈಸ್ yesterday. ನಿನ್ನೆ ಈಸ್ yesterday. And once again, as we have seen in the format of Kannada sentence, you can put this word ನಾಳೆ at the beginning also. ನಾಳೆ ನಾನು ಓಡುತ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೇನೆ. That is also right. Here also, you can put this word ನಿನ್ನೆ at the beginning of the sentence. ನಿನ್ನೆ ನಾನು ಓಡುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದೆನು. That is also right. Okay. So this is one more way of telling the sentence in different tenses. Okay. I am cooking right now. I am cooking right now. ನಾನು ಈಗ ಅಡುಗೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಾನು ಈಗ ಅಡುಗೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ರೈಟ್ ನೌ ಈಸ್ ಈಗ. ಈಗ ನೌ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಈಗ. ರೈಟ್ ನೌ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಈಗ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ಓಕೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಪುಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಗ ಅಟ್ ದ ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಅಡುಗೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್. I will be cooking in the afternoon. I will be cooking in the afternoon. ನಾನು ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ಅಡುಗೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೇನೆ. ನಾನು ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ಅಡುಗೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್. ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ afternoon. Madhyana is afternoon. We do not use any suffixes or any words for in and the in this sentence in Kannada. All right. Nanu is I. Madhyana is afternoon. Aduge madutta cooking. Iruttene will be. All right. And this is the future tense. I was cooking in the morning. ನಾನು ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಅಡುಗೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದೆನು. ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ is morning. In the is not used here. All right. And once again, you can use madhyana at the starting of the sentence. ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ನಾನು ಅಡುಗೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೇನೆ. And you can use ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ at the starting of the sentence. ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಅಡುಗೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದೆನು. Okay. This is in the past tense. Present, future, past. All right. I started driving car. ನಾನು ಕಾರ್ ಚಲಾಯಿಸಲು ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ನಾನು is I. started is ಶುರು ಮಾಡು or start is ಶುರು ಮಾಡು. started is ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದೆ. I started is ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದೆ. driving ಚಲಾಯಿಸಲು. car we use the English word itself. All right. This is in present tense. I will be driving after some time. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಮಯದ ನಂತರ ನಾನು ಕಾರ್ ಚಲಾಯಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಮಯದ ನಂತರ ನಾನು ಕಾರ್ ಚಲಾಯಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಸಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಮಯದ ನಂತರ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಸಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಮಯದ ನಂತರ. ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್, and this is in future tense. This sentence is in future tense. I was driving that time. I was driving that time. ನಾನು ಆವಾಗ ಕಾರ್ ಚಲಾಯಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದೆನು. ನಾನು ಆವಾಗ ಕಾರ್ ಚಲಾಯಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದೆನು. That time is ಆವಾಗ. That time is ಆವಾಗ. And this sentence is in past tense. All right. I am working at this moment. I am working at this moment. Work is ಕೆಲಸ. ವರ್ಕ್ ಈಸ್ ಕೆಲಸ. ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ. ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ. ಓಕೆ. ನಾನು ಈ ಕ್ಷಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಾನು ಈ ಕ್ಷಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಈ ಕ್ಷಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಈಸ್ at this moment. At this moment or in this moment, both. I am working in this moment or at this moment. ಈ ಕ್ಷಣದಲ್ಲಿ. ಈ ಕ್ಷಣದಲ್ಲಿ. This is in present tense. I will be working during that moment. I will be working during that moment. ನಾನು ಆ ಕ್ಷಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೇನೆ. ನಾನು ಆ ಕ್ಷಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಆ ಕ್ಷಣದಲ್ಲಿ is during that time. During that time. This sentence is in future tense. I was working at that moment. I was working at that moment. ನಾನು ಆ ಕ್ಷಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದೆನು. ನಾನು ಆ ಕ್ಷಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದೆನು. ಆ ಕ್ಷಣದಲ್ಲಿ at that moment. All right. This is in future tense. Now, those are the sentences in three tenses. Now, past and future tense can also be told like this. Okay. Present tense, I am jumping. Past tense, I jumped. I jumped. Past tense. Future tense, I will jump. I will jump. Present tense, he is writing. He is writing. Past tense, he wrote. He wrote. Future tense, he will write. He will write. Present tense, she is drinking. She is drinking. Past tense, she drank. She drank. Future tense, she will drink. She will drink. So, in the next two videos, we will see how to get this in Kannada and how to get this in Kannada. All right? Click subscribe, click on the bell icon and click on all to get notified when we post a new video. If you want to watch more videos, click on the channel and click on playlists and follow any playlist that you want.